welcome back to E-Commerce Talk with Webby, the podcast where we dive into the real life hustle of e-commerce sellers. I'm your host, as usual, your go-to girl for all things e-commerce chaos. And guess what? The Srishti duo is back. So Srishti, can you please give us a little brief about TikTok Shop? So as you heard, our today's topic is TikTok Shop and Srishti will give some amazing insights about that. So go ahead, Srishti.
Well, first of all, thank you for making me come back. Secondly, today I'm really excited about this topic because yes, I was excited about Shopify, but TikTok Shop is something really special as it is the newborn in the e-commerce market.
Right. So start with my first question. Why is TikTok Shop the hottest thing right now?
Well, TikTok Shop is the hottest thing right now because of its huge consumer base. When you look at other social media platforms, there are people there are people using it, but when it comes to TikTok and TikTok Shop, the consumer base is huge and it is in billions, and especially in US and UK where people trust online markets, and unlike markets like India where people still are dependent on physical shopping.
Correct.
Right. So in these places, TikTok Shop has a really strong hold.
So this works globally more better.
Yes.
Correct. Okay, appreciating. So Srishti, let's start with the basics first. Why is TikTok Shop good for sellers?
Well, the first and the foremost reason is what I mentioned earlier. It is good for sellers because it uses the already present audience there. I mean, you can reach out to people and you can show them, you can lure customers. Like,
Okay.
ideally on e-commerce businesses, people come up to you, people buy products from you if they search for you. With TikTok Shop, you can show people that this is our product and this is how it can be useful for you. So basically, you are turning people into your customers. You know your target audience who can use it, but turning them into customers is easier with TikTok Shop. Also, affiliate marketing is a very big thing these days. People are influenced by influencers.
Correct.
And they want to use everything they use, they want to do everything they do, like especially when I talk about cosmetics. We girls, we cannot trust random brands until they are tried and tested. So those influencers do that tried and tested thing for us.
Yeah, and maybe I want to add the thing in that a person if see in the video in the short content like personally like we can also feel virtual it will also suit somebody.
There is a connection.
Right.
There is a
Without
connection.
going out, without visit any store, you can also feel virtual feeling with your product.
Actually, because we trust them, it is user generated content that clicks, that connects. Like today, people do not want to see those huge celebrities branding, standing with the mannequins or with all this makeup, light and action. No, people want content on their level.
Everyone wants to visit all the things. Everyone wants to explore all the things. But
Yes.
we haven't that much time to explore or visit or to every store. So
Right.
that's why the thing is we can also save our time.
Yes, we can save our time, of course.
Correct. And time is months away. Correct. So why people love shopping from these social media platforms and why sellers are also creating account
The first reason is, as I mentioned, wide consumer base, because as a seller you want as much as consumer base as possible. The second reason is the marketing, the advertising part where it becomes really easier. See, building a business, building a brand is only possible if you know how to market it well. Market is there, people are there, and if you're able to convince them to go up to them and tell them that we are the right one for you, then I guess that is the only way you can prove that your product is worth it. Other than that, I feel that TikTok Shop has supported the sellers in such a way that they have created a community. They have very intelligently put that platform up to support the sellers as well.
Like we can also increase our networking with it.
Yes,
Correct.
yes, of course.
So, and maybe I have heard or I have read it like in 2024, mobile commerce sales 26% in US and 61% shoppers admit that they explore new brands.
Yes, you see, you if you don't trust words, you have got to trust numbers.
Correct.
I mean, with business, you deal with numbers, and if you got numbers, trust them.
Because as a consumer, we are not recommended a seller to be honest for product review. We
Right.
are recommended a customer first. Like
Right.
we are going through the store and scrolling the reviews, then we will trust.
Yes, of course. And the most important thing for a consumer is the fact that that product is worth it. I personally feel that people are not hesitant about spending money, especially today's Gen Z and millennials, as we call it. They are the consumer base. They are the people who are out there in the market buying stuff. So, and they do not trust easy. Trust issues. Oh my dear Lord. So, coming back. So, yes, trust issues are a big thing. So, TikTok Shop helps you solve them. Getting a first-hand experience that somebody else is using it, they have seen effects. Like there are many brands who are built just on social media. You must be knowing about the woman entrepreneur Parul Gulati.
Haan.
She built her entire brand niche here basis on social media. All
Correct.
she did was continuously posting, coming out to
Right.
people, showing them products, and she did not even use affiliate market. She herself came up on social media, and that is a very great example.
Correct.
Her products sell out for what, 5,000, 6,000 per piece. That is a great amount. So people are not hesitant about spending money. They are all wanting to have utility out of it, value out of it.
Right, like this is also called strategy. You can also count this in your
Yeah, of
report
course.
idea. Like I thought, yeah, everyone thought like that because ऐसा होता है कि if I saw a creator on a social media or any social platform, so like सबका एक mentor भी होता है और सबका एक creator भी होता है कि इसको मुझे follow करना है, that's it, I want to also,
Exactly.
है ना, अभी मुझे भी दिखना है ऐसा, something like that. तो मुझे लगता है कि जो सेलर है वो भी दे आर ऑल्सो फॉलोइंग अस कि मेरी ऑडियंस को क्या चाहिए फर्स्ट सो यू आर डायरेक्टली रिकमेंडेड कि with the help of your feedback, with the help of your review, so there are also very good features you can put your review or feedback and they will recommend according to your
Exactly.
correct. So can I go the second one?
Of course.
So now let's talk about the real deal, how sellers can make serious money on TikTok Shop.
So serious money on TikTok Shop is all content.
Okay.
You want if you want that your store is out there on TikTok Shop and you want that it makes as much sales as possible, you need to create a content which is not just creative, it serves the purpose.
Okay.
It highlights your brand, it displays it. It actually gives out the message that you want.
Correct.
Like for your target audience, it can the age, the gender, the particular strata of society. Whatever you're targeting, you need to know what they want and you give them what they want. Apart from that, the content needs to be relevant. Because if they don't relate, I'm sorry, they're not going to come back to you.
Like maybe in our last episode, if everyone saw that, so we already told that your description and title will be the relating like a personalized story for your customer.
Yeah.
They can also relate, they can also feel virtually everything what you
Actually.
are putting in your description or in your title.
True.
So they can relate easily.
They can relate easily, and also if you're worried about orders and fulfillment, you can, as I earlier mentioned, you can use different applications to make that possible. to balance out the inventory and those day-to-day things, use an application, because then your focus would be on content, and that is where you will win amongst others.
Yeah, and there are many of audience like that. They haven't idea about multi-channel fulfillment. Because उन लोगों को ये ऐसा भी नहीं पता there are also possibilities to do it.
Yeah,
उनको ये भी
right.
नहीं पता. But we have also got this for them. There are many of platforms like that, AMCF and NCF5, where we are also doing fulfillment for solving inventories and kind of.
Yeah, because I just feel that to succeed on TikTok Shop, you need to focus on content, you need to focus on creativity, you need to frame all that thing very smartly, and if you want to give out time there, you need to cut down
Correct.
your time on these things like fulfillment, inventory, and all these things. Let these things be taken care of by Amazon, IMCF, by FB.
Correct. And to be honest, this podcast is not for only a chatterbox. So if you have any concern, then you can also put directly in the comment section, and you can also ping our team so we can directly connect with you and solve all the problems. So again back on the questions. So Shrishti, can you suggest us now the right time for sellers to get on TikTok Shop?
I personally believe there is no right time. The right time is when you start.
Okay.
That is now. You select an account. Make sure that you're intelligent with that account handle and the layout, how it looks, because looks matter. I mean, this all looks don't matter is not something that I believe. With your brand, I'm not talking about human. So yes, I don't feel there's any right time. The right time is when you start. As a person who believes in planning, you need to make sure that you plan. Obviously, you cannot start out random. You need to make sure that you have a smart business handle. You need to know how your page looks. You need to know how the layout looks, so that your page is not random stuff.
Correct.
Your page should go one by one by one. Like you start pitching one by one by one, and that is how you reach your goal, which is great sales.
Yeah, like because if customer will go through on your store, so the direct pitch will be more
Yeah,
confusing or
it will
feel
be
weird.
abrupt, and the consumer won't feel the connect.
And the one thing, if you are exploring, if you are scrolling something on your social media, so it's not feel like a forced sell.
Yeah.
You are like कोई आपको force नहीं कर रहा है. It is. You are just exploring music in the first minute, and in the second minute you are vibing with your cute dress.
Exactly. I mean, it should not look like a pitch. It not look like, oh, मैं ऐसा दिखता था और फिर मैंने ये लिया तो ऐसा हो गया. Man, that is too boring. That is too old school. You've got to gear up your marketing game.
Correct. So we are just wrapping up this podcast for today, and we will give you amazing insights again in our another episode. In the end, if Shrishti have anything to give suggestions or any extra opinions for this, so you can go ahead.
So thank you for having me again. And this was all I have shared quite a bit. But yes, make sure when you're on TikTok Shop, be a content creator more than a seller, and that would be your way to success. Thank you for having me.
So that's all for today, guys. If you have any concern, then you can directly contact with us or our team, so they will directly connect with you to solve your problem. And if you haven't watched our last episode, then go through and see all the videos on Webby, where we have already talked much more about e-commerce talk. So that's it for today, and thank you so much for listening us. That's it, and Shrishti, thank you so much for coming back.
Welcome.